I couldn't take 31.5 for it.
I got into my Cybertruck today and the screen isn't working.
I love the Tesla, you know? The Tesla!
Alright, a few clips about Teslas today. And just for the record, I'm not against Teslas or EVs. We're looking at negative equity, difficult financing, and some of the issues and regrets that pop up once the excitement wears off.
So it's a 2022 Model Y Performance, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And how much do you owe on it?
50.
50, 50.
Mm-hmm.
If we were to buy this, we would buy it for 31.5.
I couldn't take 31.5 for it.
Totally understand.
I wanted to at least get 40 for it. So
Yeah. You know, we would sell them for around 36. We have one on our website with around the same miles for 36. And, you know, we're going to have to ship it from Nevada, which is going to cost around $1,500.
He owes $50,000, it's worth $30,000, and he's willing to take $40,000. I'm assuming he's trying to trade it in or maybe just wants out of it completely. Either way, cars are one of the few things people are willing to waste massive amounts of money on. And they're weirdly okay with it. Any other situation where you lose $10,000, $15,000, that's a disaster. But with cars, people shrug it off like it's normal.
So we're going to own it for like 33 and change, around that. So that's where the offer is coming from. Now, let's say you don't get any offers close to that 40 range. Is it an option for you to keep the car?
probably, yeah.
I see.
Because that's like 15 grand upside down, 15 grand upside down.
I understand. No worries. If anything changes, please let us know, and we're happy to come pick it up from your house and get it done.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Good luck.
All right.
Bye.
There's times I would love a new car, and I'm able to afford one. But the more I watch these clips, the longer I plan on driving the one I have. We see the same thing over and over. People losing money, buying cars they regret, or just upgrading too quickly. And really, it makes a $2,000 repair bill on an old car look like a bargain.
One of the best deals you can get right now. Tesla Model 3, by the way.
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like you're happy about it. Due to the credit score, the rate is on the higher end. Just like the lower the score is, the higher the interest rate. The good news is we do have you approved and it will help you rebuild your credit. I was able to do it with only $1,000 down.
If she has bad credit, there's a very small chance this is actually going to help her rebuild it. It's far more likely to make things worse. The salesmen say buy a car to help rebuild your credit because it's the fastest way to sell the most profitable type of loan to the people who can't afford it.
Payment's going to be $583. That's going to include sales tax and registration fees.
So it's like $5.
I was able to get it done with only $1,000 down. So you wanted to do more? $3,000, okay. So $514.
With insurance?
Well, it's not going to be with insurance, but it's going to cover all of your taxes, registration.
Do you guys have insurance? How much would that cost?
We have somebody that we can refer you. We don't do insurance here, but we can refer you to get you a quote.
The initial monthly with the 1,000, how much was that?
She hasn't even gotten an insurance quote yet. And that's one of the most important things I check. I've never owned an EV, but with every other car I've bought, I look for something safe, reliable, good on gas, and cheap on insurance. You can find an amazing deal on a car, but if that insurance rate is high, I don't want it. I've met too many people who haven't thought about insurance costs because the car's price seemed like a great deal, and they end up paying way more in the long run.
$583, $70 less a month with the extra $2,000.
72 months, right?
72 months.
I'll definitely get back to you guys because I should get one right now.
Is there anything we could do to help you move forward today?
Not really. I don't think so. I just feel like it's a lot, the monthly.
What would be a comfortable monthly payment for you?
Like 300.
If I was able to maybe find a different Tesla Model 3 to get you into the low 400s, would that be a better option for you?
Just let me know.
I'm going to send you over an option. Just take a look at it and let Juve know if that was...
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Deborah.
The number one cause of a low credit score is missed payments. People just didn't have the money to pay their bills on time. So whether she pays $500 or $400, it's not going to make a big difference. She's focused on the monthly payment. When you only look at that, you stop paying attention to the full price of the car. A low monthly payment doesn't mean it's a good deal. It usually means you're paying more over a longer term with way more interest.
You want to know what's crazy? The fact that Tesla made a future car, okay? And tell me it was 90 degrees outside and the air conditioning reduced thing comes on and now my AC don't work because the car needs to cool down because the car is hot. Okay, you know who else is hot? Me! Me! So now I'm sitting in the car and it's sweating.
If there are any Tesla owners out there, is this true? Does the car actually reduce the AC to cool the battery? And if so, is it that big of an issue? She's making it seem like she has no air conditioning in at all. But she's filming a TikTok with her windows rolled up, so it clearly can't be that bad. This is still the biggest issue with EVs for me. I know I could make it work, but I don't think I want to. I could be wrong, but charging just seems like a hassle. Not as much if you have a charger at home, but still. Waiting 9 hours, that's a lot. I think that's why most people are turned off from EVs in general. Gas cars kind of spoil us. I can fill mine up in under 5 minutes and be on with my day.
Uh-oh. No. So close. Come on. Come on, open.
So to be fair, you can run out of gas too, but I've never came that close. It seems like you would have to do a lot more planning with EVs. I've been looking at charging stations in my area and there's not very much. Most of them are about 15 minutes away. It might not sound like much, but that's taking the expressway, which is almost jammed up daily, and a 15-minute drive can turn into an hour.
I promise this isn't a joke. It's not fake. I got into my Cybertruck today and the screen isn't working. So to change gears, I have to use this emergency gear selector up here. So like now I can reverse, but I have no idea where I'm going because I have no rear view mirror. I can't see. To go into drive, I can easily do that. But like, I don't know how fast I'm going.
That would be a bit of a pain. It's almost like when my computer starts acting up. I bought a Mac because I thought it would give me fewer issues. And honestly, it's been great. But programs still freeze, I lose files, and I end up having to restart it just to get it working again.
If I open the door, it does put it in park automatically, but the screen does not work. Let's try resetting it by putting both of my fingers on the scroll wheels on either side. Okay, so that did reset it, I think. I heard something, but there's nothing on the screen right now. What if it's actually broken? Hello, wake up. Oh my gosh, thank God. It looks like it's working now. Whew! I thought this was legitimately broken.
So it's the same as my computer. Reset it and hope it fixes itself. Reset it and forget it. I don't mind doing that with my computer, but I'm not sure I'd be comfortable doing that with my car. Maybe this isn't a common issue, but it seems poorly designed. Like it wasn't thought out very well. Let me know in the comments if this is normal for Teslas.
Oh. Okay. That's interesting. It never charged last night. Did it like completely just die randomly in the middle of the night? I just want to double check the charging actually works. It's a little bit concerning. Yeah, it's working. So basically, normally I have my vehicle scheduled to charge at midnight, but something happened where the vehicle glitched and kind of just like shut down. So I think that's why the charging did not initiate at midnight last night. But luckily, to get back to full, it's only going to take 2.5 hours.
So that's great. A simple fix, just a glitch. But something like that could throw your entire day off. Imagine waking up for work and the battery's dead. Again, I'm not against EVs or Teslas. And like I said before, I actually find the self-driving feature very interesting. I'm just looking into some of the issues people are posting about. So if you drive a Tesla, let me know if things like this are actually common.
Hey guys, I know I just posted a video about how much, oh my god, I can't even speak. Oh my god, I can't even swallow it anyway. I know I just posted a video about how good this car is. I love the Tesla, you know. The Tesla. I miss my Camry. I don't even have anywhere to put my freaking phone at in this car. This car sucks. If you went on TikTok talking about, oh my god, I love my Tesla, it's the best car ever, you're a liar. But honestly, I think Toyota screwed me over, like, because I don't live 40 miles from my freaking job. I live like max 20 miles. Tell me how I wasted 40 freaking miles.
I can't tell if this girl is pretending to be upset or if she really is. Either way, in her comment section, it is pretty clear she is serious about not liking the car. She regretted buying it, she regretted giving up her Toyota, and eventually she got rid of it. It's a huge purchase, and it honestly seems like there wasn't much thought put into it.
With how often I have to charge, it's the same shit as putting gas. So yeah, anyone want to buy a Tesla, please? Please buy this Tesla off me. Like literally, I hate this car. Like who convinced me that a Tesla was better than a freaking Camry? Ooh, because you're wrong. This car sucks. It sucks. And honestly, I was trying to gaslight myself and make myself feel like this is like the best car ever just because I really wanted it. And it's like so pretty looking, but it's so bad. Like, I don't understand, like, who genuinely likes their Tesla? What?
It sounds like she bought the car because of social media. I look at the reviews and there are a lot of people who absolutely love their Teslas. And they're very convincing about all the great things. And to be fair, there are a lot of great things. But I always try to look for the downsides too. The disadvantages of buying one. And if she had done that, she wouldn't have been in this position. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.